video mission. Give my brother-in-law a fishing rod, take it to a lake, and catch some fish with it.
This one's actually a pretty nice rod. I like Power Pro the most. I mean, for bass, I'd probably use something like this size.
We got the goods.
Got some 4-pound monofilament. This will just be some backing on the reel. Got some 10-pound Power Pro. Got a 2500 Shimano reel. Combo medium fast action rod. So we've got the 4-pound mono. Got just a little pin that roughly fits into this. And then what I've done here is I found a box that's roughly the same width. Grab our end, close the box. Now what I'll do is I'll just hold this box between my feet, and if I need more tension, I'll just close this little flap here. Open the bail. I ran it through this first eyelid, trim the tag, get this back on. Got a nice little base there. And just like that, we're spooled up. Have a good day.
All right, y'all, just dropped off my daughters. First, we're breaking in my brother-in-law's brand new fishing rod we just set up for him. However, we also found out that our other brother-in-law
has never caught a fish.
Which, that should be illegal in the state of Florida, as far as I'm concerned. So, double mission.
All right, I'm at this first spot. It couldn't get more random than this. We are literally behind an EOS Fitness at this little man-made looking pond. But one of my brother-in-law said that he saw people fishing in here before, so we're gonna try it out. They're not here yet, so I'm gonna not waste any time. Are there fish in here?
Yeah.
There are?
Yeah. I think the guy catching on that side of the lake.
Okay, well then. Oh! I didn't realize that was you. Yeah, when it's cold, that makes perfect sense. Oh, I got one. There's fish. There's fish. There's fish in here. There's actually a fish in here. Holy cow.
What is that?
That's a bass. It's a nice bass. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there are fish here.
Literally just pulled up, made my first cast with the crankbait, caught this fish. Just in time for my brother-in-law to come in. Let's get this guy released, and then we got to get him on his first fish. It's a nice sized bass, y'all. Look at that fatty. Wow, you would never think that this thing holds fish. We got Isaiah with his brand new rod. We just found out there's bass in this lake. We're waiting on our other brother-in-law that we just found out has never caught a fish in his life. So we on a double mission today. Let's see if we can catch something. Yes, sir, dude. They're fast. They do exist. Haha! He lives. All right, bro. You gotta come here into the camera.
Oh, you got gloves? Okay.
I have half of them. There's some other ones. Come here, I need you to face this camera. All right, this is my other brother-in-law. Can you please tell the people, as a Florida living person, what you've never done?
I've never caught a fish before. I even dressed up for the occasion.
I think that's illegal in the state of Florida, never caught a fish. So, you're 30-something years old now, we gotta get you on a fish. And I literally just caught a bass. This looks like there'd be fish in it, doesn't it? Not much room to cast here, but this might be a good place to try. I love this little frog. The bass, they love the frog. Come to eat the frog. The froggy is a juicy juice. Yeah, man, you're good. Yeah, hit us up if you want to meet up then after. There's what?
Big fish.
Oh, that's a tilapia. Got one? Yeah, baby. No way. No way. Ha! Mission accomplished. Well, mission 1 accomplished. Yeah, baby. Dude. Nice bass. Breaking in the rod. Got a good belly on him. Dude, nice bass. Well, we've confirmed there's fish. He gone. Just, where'd it go? Just disappeared.
I think it went under all that stuff.
That's wild. Oh yeah, I got one, bro. Haha. Little bitty. Little bitty. Perfect in that bottom lip. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Cute little guy, huh?
Bro, all this like swamp.
Oh. You got one? Yeah, boy! Number 2! Look at that, popped right out, man. Yes, sir. That's number 2, bro. That's sick. All right, well, dude, I would say mission officially accomplished. We picked out a rod, and then you've now caught 2 bass with it. I say that's a success. Oh, did you see that? Smacked my frog into the sky. I hope that shows up on camera. That was cool. Did you see that one just again? He went up for it and missed it. I just need 1 topwater. Oh, here's a bass. Isaiah! No! Man, I can't believe I hooked one and I turned to you to try and call you over and you aren't listening. Oh, they're looking at it. They're right next to mine, but they're not going after it. Don't want nothing to do with it. Got one. You too? Oh. Yeah, baby. It's a nice little 12-incher. Nice little bass. Yes, got one finally. Oh, that's a decent bass right there. Yeah, baby. Fish on. Fish on, top water frog. Oh, good aerial. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. Ain't nobody around to see it neither. Come on. Come on now. I got one. Top water. Oh, he's stuck in the muck. Oh, there he is. He swam down up underneath that stuff. Yeah, baby. That's a good bass right there. That is a good bass right there. Yes, sir. There we go. Beautiful bass. About 1.5 pounds right there. Healthy bass. Yes, sir. See you, dude. Yes, sir. Top water frog, baby. We got one on the books. Got one on the books with the top water. Hey, you're late to the party. Yeah, grab that rod right there. Just now, yeah. Like right before you came up here, I just caught one. It was a good one too. Right on top of all those lily pads, man. I'm telling you, the lily pads is where it's at. They're sitting underneath there. Oh, do I got a fish? I got a fish!
You got one.
I was so confused what was going on there.
What?
Oh no, he's stuck in this thick stuff. Oh no. Oh no. No. So hooks are weedless, but bass are not. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Ha 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 ha! Got one. Look at that little bad boy. You got one? Yeah, boy!
Damn, son.
Dude, on the bluegill? On the bluegill, yes. That's sick.
Bro, as soon as I casted it right there.
Dude, that's sick. Hold on, I gotta get an up close on that. We doubled up just now.
Dude, it was as soon as I casted it, it attacked me.
Yep. See, that's why you gotta get right on those edges. Dude, that's a nice bass.
Bro, what? Y'all got like the same size fish.
Look at that, y'all. Hold that up, dude. On the bluegill. I had my doubts. Look at this.
Yo, they're like twins.
Yours is a little bit bigger.
Take a picture of it. You gotta take a picture of me and then put in that photo too.
Yeah. Get Marlon in the background still trying.
Sweet.
That's cool, man. All right, bro.
You gotta send that one to me.
Bro, 3 bass. I've been at, what have we been here? 10 minutes maybe?
Right here? Bro, I'm just tired.
We're so good. We just need you to get on one. Bro, that bluegill. Oh, check out this, no way. This is either a bowfin or a snakehead, you guys. It just popped its head up right here. Look. I bet you that's what you were saying that you saw that was big, dude. Nice one. Dude, he choked that bluegill.
Yeah.
Holy moly. That's a nice bass.
Not over here today, but typically, yeah.
Come on, swim. Oh, there he goes. Come on, swim. Keep swimming, just keep swimming. Yeah, he's good. Oh, he's swimming away.
That one's bigger.
That's what I just said, dude. That's a bigger fish. That's at least 1.5 pounds. Ooh, ow, that cut me up.
Another one, bro. They can cut you up?
Well, they've got sandpaper. Dude, that's a good bass. It's a solid, probably close to 2 pound there. Marlon, or here, cast this out there, Marlon. There's still a mission to get you on a fish, so Marlon, cast this one. All you gotta reel is cast and reel. Don't do anything else. Okay, that was trash. Oh, that was pathetic. First, you got it tangled up. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me.
Yeah, man. How did it get tangled up?
Because you have a magical gift.
Somehow.
Here, reel it up more. Okay.
Caught a sock filled with rocks before. Thought it was a big fish.
You caught a sock with rocks?
Filled with rocks, bro.
All right, I'm trying a big old swim bait. See if this does anything. Oh my gosh, I got a bass that ate this giant swim bait. Isaiah, come here, look at the size of this bait that I'm using. Good bass. It's a good bass. Dude, look at the size of the bait I'm using. This is a saltwater bait.
A bass on the NLB 5-inch. Isn't that saltwater?
Yeah, it's a saltwater lure I got there. But I mean, I figured you were catching it with that bluegill swim bait. Like, let me try it. All right, Marlon. You might have to just connect one to your hook and pretend you caught it. Nah. Just a steady retrieval. That guy came up from the depths to catch that bait. It was a good sized bass, too. No, the lure. The lure that was a big lure. Oh no, it was bigger than that. Actually, I keep forgetting I got a measuring tape and a scale. All right, cast it out again. Oh, got it. Marlon. I'm sorry. Oh, it's quite a few for me today.
I think we're up to 6.
Marlon.
Wasn't that the lure he was just using?
Yeah, I keep switching with him because I'm like, oh, maybe this will work better for you. And then something happens and it doesn't. Oh, what is in this guy's mouth? Dude, look in his mouth. I wonder if the camera can see it.
What is that?
I don't know. Either it's like some kind of a parasite or it's like a plastic worm. See that in his throat?
Oh yeah. Check it out, lay down.
I'm gonna try to. Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh.
Look at that.
Bro.
That's a worm.
A lure.
That's a lure worm.
Oh, that's a lure worm. Now he can breathe.
Just saved a bass's life today.
Look at his belly though.
He's probably distended because of that. Live! All right, Marlon. Maybe fishing isn't a thing for you.
I don't know, man. I don't give up yet.
I'm joking. That's,
yeah, man.
that's my goal.
I'm gonna go big or go home. Oh, bro, I'm about to catch a 20-foot salmon, dude.
There's no salmon in here, buddy.
I'm either gonna catch me like a bluefin tuna or like a sea sturgeon out here with this.
A sturgeon?
Sturgeon, bro.
Oh, you caught 3. That's right. 2 back to back.
That's it? Only 3? How many did you catch, bro? 4 now.
Oh, dog! Dude. Oh, that's a good one. Dude, Isaiah, that looks pretty big. Oh, that's a good one. Dude, keep tension on it. Don't let it go slack at all, please. Oh, it came off? That was a good bass, man. Oh my goodness, Isaiah. You guys, there's 4 bass right here. Just chasing my lure.
Got one. I told you there were 4 right here staring at my stuff. Come here, Marlon. I think I can get you on one right now. Seriously, come here. I think we're gonna get you on a fish right now. All right, cast it straight out that way. Stop, 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 stop. They're chasing it, they're chasing it, they're chasing it. Reel, reel, reel. You got one. Oh, he took, reel, reel, reel. Get it up, he cast it back out. He just grabbed it, he missed it. He's still right there. There's 2 of them. Okay. They're chasing it. Cast the same spot if you can. Let me see, look. Put your 2 fingers in here, not down here. Grab here, like that. Yeah, no, yeah, there you go. Does that feel any better?
Yeah.
Twitch it so it's deeper. Oh, I think you're wrapped up, man. Just reel, just reel. No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Just reel. Just reel, 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 reel. Yes, 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 yes. Go, keep, no, don't tug, just reel, just reel, just reel, just reel. Reel it up. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, put up, get up here. Get it on the bank, walk backwards.
All right. There you go. Look at this big boy.
Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished.
That's how pros do it.
Victory is ours, bro.
Oh, yes.
All right, you want a picture with your first fish ever?
Big fish.
All right, you want to try and release them? All you gotta do is just pop those things open and it should just swim away. Oh, there it is.
Man,
Quick.
Quickness.
Congrats, my friend.
Yes.
You're now officially a Floridian.
Waiting 34 years for this, bro.
Oh, it's great. You're giving up on me? Sounds like a rookie excuse.
What's up?
Sounds like a rookie excuse. Swallowed the NLBN. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass right there, y'all. Man, easy 1.5, 2 pounders all day. He gone. Another little fella. He is not even a pound, this guy. Another little. He got one. Alright. That's the end of that video. Quick recap. We got Marlon on his first fish. We caught probably around 10 plus bass today. Probably more than that. Much better than our first day. We didn't kill any bass. That one bass survived. It swam off good. Took him a little bit. And we saved a life by pulling that plastic worm out of the other bass. So overall, a good day. See you on the next one.